Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today, just a quick flip through of the two of my latest kits, digital kits. So we've got the Shabby Shades of Yellow and we've also got the Timeless Travels. So I should go through this one first. This has got 18 sheets in it, 18 pages, and obviously it's just a travel one. So I'm just going to give you a quick flip through because I like to just show you what you actually get in the kit so you can have a proper look. So it's got some really lovely images on there, so it's sort of like a vintage, and it's also got sort of like hints of the green and the blue, so it's not sort of just all browns in there, and I think it's a really nice kit. I will be making a journal with this one because I think it's really lovely. That's a lovely one, and we've got some nice backing papers as well on these, so just sort of like plain ones so you can back. That's got a faint map of Paris on it upside down, so that's just really nice. So these ones I like to use just in there so you can back your other papers with them and print on the other side. So we've got some nice 4 lovely journaling cards there, and some of these ones to pop in that make some little pockets to pop in your little journaling cards. And then we've got some 4 beautiful tags, 4 lovely round, which one you can make into tags or little tuck spots. And then we've got 3 really large tags, which I think are really lovely. So there we go guys, so that's the Timeless Travels. Pop that to the side. And now this one is the Shabby Shades of Yellow, which is a lovely kit. So it's not sort of like bright yellow, and I think it's lovely. So we've got some little dragonflies in there as well, so it's got a nice shabby yellow finish to it. So I think these are really pretty too. Bit of text in there, lovely flowers on there, so I think these are really pretty. And there's 14 sheets in this one. Some lovely backing papers on here, so you've got some nice sunflowers. I think there's sunflowers on there, or daisies. Beautiful, really lovely. So it's a really nice sort of like summery colours. And then we've got our little journaling cards on there, another 2 there. And we've got some nice embellishments, a couple of belly bands on there, some tags, some little pockets there on here. So it's beautiful, really nice journaling cards. So there we go guys, so that's my 2 latest kits. So that's the Shabby Shades of Yellow and the Timeless Travel. So I'm going to pop a link to both of those down below the video. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.